In this video, we will talk about how to fix Wi-Fi not showing in settings on Windows 10. Method 1. Basic steps. First, restart your PC and check if that helps you to fix the issue. Afterwards, turn off your Wi-Fi router and wait for 30 seconds, then turn it on. Method 2. Airplane mode. Laptops have an airplane mode button. Press it once and check if it works for you. Method 3. Enable Wi-Fi adapter manually. Click on Start. Open Settings. Select Network and Internet. Scroll down. Click on Change Adapter Options. If you see your Wi-Fi network adapter disabled, then right-click on Wi-Fi adapter and enable it. Method 4. Enable WLAN Auto-Config service. Click in Search. Type Services. Select Run as Administrator. In here, search for WLAN Auto-Config. Right-click and select Properties. Set Startup Type to Automatic and start the services. Then click on Apply and OK. Method 5. Reset network settings. Click on Start. Open Settings. Click on Network and Internet. Scroll down. Click on Network Reset. Select Reset Now and click on Yes. Close it and click on Start, then restart your PC. Method 6. Wi-Fi adapter. Right-click and open any browser. Copy-paste the link given in the description and press Enter. If nothing seems to work for you, you can simply buy an external Wi-Fi adapter. Connect it with your laptop or desktop. Your Wi-Fi icon will show up. Hopefully, this will fix your issue. See you in the next video.